I'll be honest, most broker reviews are painfully boring. They throw around words like tight spreads and great execution, but seldom tell you what really matters when real money is on the line. Before shooting this video about Pepperstone, I did actual trades on their platform with my own money, and today I'm going to show you why it's become my go-to in the Emirates, and also what annoyed me during testing, because there are a few things you really need to know before signing up. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Pepperstone is safe in the UAE, how expensive it really is, which traders should use it, and who absolutely shouldn't. I'll also tell you how to avoid the $20 wire fee, how to get 0.0 pip spreads, and most importantly, how to set up a 100% Sharia compliant account in under 15 minutes. I'm not going to read you a brochure, but rather share my findings based on 1200 testing points and my unvarnished opinion about using the broker in the UAE. So first and foremost, let's answer the big one. Is Pepperstone a good broker for UAE traders? In short, yes. It's arguably one of the best for Forex and CFDs. Why? Because they aren't just available in the Emirates, they're embedded there. They're regulated by both the DFSA in Dubai and the CMA on the mainland. If you want to trade in dirhams without conversion fees eating your profits, this is your home. Plus, the fees are super competitive and the platform selection is excellent. But to be honest, if you want to buy and hold real Tesla shares or trade ETFs, close this video now, because Pepperstone is not for you. These are the three things I loved about Pepperstone. First, the pricing. Spreads on the Razor account are seriously low. This is where a lot of brokers play games. They advertise from 0.0 pips, then you open the platform and suddenly the euro-dollar is terrible. Pepperstone was genuinely competitive in real testing. Second thing, transparency. Pepperstone uses a non-dealing desk model. Sounds technical, but here's why I care. Fewer requotes, faster execution, less of that weird feeling that the broker is trading against you. And honestly, once you've traded with the bad execution before, you really appreciate the difference. And the third thing I genuinely loved, platform choice. Most brokers give you MT4 or MT5 and call it innovation. Pepperstone gives you MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and their own platform. Personally, the TradingView integration is probably my favorite part. If you're into charting, it's honestly addictive. Now, let's talk about the things I don't love. Their product range. As I said, this is not the broker you choose for long-term investing. If your goal is buying real stocks, ETFs, and building a passive portfolio for 10 years, Pepperstone is not built for that. It's built for active CFD and Forex traders. On fees, the picture is mostly great, but not entirely. The Razor account's Forex spreads are genuinely low. But when I kept my CFD position overnight, the fees were a bit of an unpleasant surprise. We will now take a closer look at the details and see if Pepperstone is the right fit for you. Let's start with safety, because this is where people get emotional. Sending your money to a broker can be terrifying the first time. There are simply too many scams out there. And here's what you'll love as a UAE trader. Pepperstone feels like a local bank. Having that dual regulation, CMA and DFSA, is like having a double bolt on your front door. On top of that, regulation from the UK, Australia and Europe. That's a pretty serious regulatory stack. Plus, they have an actual office in Dubai. If things go wrong, you're not chatting with a bot in a different time zone, you're talking to someone in your own language who understands the local market. Now, onto costs, because hidden fees are something I absolutely hate with brokers. Pepperstone actually keeps things refreshingly clean. What I love, the Razor account. I'm a spread stickler. Seeing 0.0 pips on euro-dollar makes my heart happy. You pay a round turn commission, $6 to $7, but it's transparent. If you choose the standard account, you'll be paying no commission, but slightly higher spreads. 0.6 pips on average for major pairs. What I hate, the international wire fee. If you don't use a local bank or card or Apple, Google Pay, they hit you with a $20 charge for wires. Pro tip, use Mashreq Bank for local transfers. It's free and fast. Also set your base currency to dirhams. Many traders lose 2 to 3% just on currency conversion because they open the dollar account. Don't be that person. Quick pause before we continue. If you're into honest broker reviews with real testing, not sponsored hype, hit subscribe. We test brokers with real money so you don't have to learn from expensive lessons the hard way. Now back to Pepperstone. Opening my account was one of the smoothest parts of the experience. I opened it in 12 minutes while sitting at a cafe. It was 100% digital. In terms of paperwork, all you need is your Emirates ID and the DFSA bill. The whole flow is in Arabic if you prefer. Besides the Razor account and standard account, you can toggle the Islamic Account option, and I really liked that there's no minimum deposit requirement. Funding and withdrawals were surprisingly painless. Card transactions, Apple Pay and Google Pay are instant and free. Local bank transfers also free through Mashreq Bank. And here's a cool 2026 update. Crypto dirhams. You can deposit up to $1 million via crypto. Withdrawals work the same way as deposits. Free for cards, local transfers, and digital wallets. International wires cost $20. When it comes to trading platforms, Pepperstone is like a buffet. You have MT4 and MT5, which, let's be honest, look like they were designed in 1995, but they never crash. Add to that CTrader and the broker's proprietary platform. But my personal favorite, TradingView integration. Being able to chart on TradingView and execute directly through Pepperstone is like a dream. And a mistake to avoid, don't start with 200 to 1 leverage. Just because the CMA allows it doesn't mean you should use it. I've seen accounts wiped out in seconds during a news event because someone got really good leverage. Dial it down to 10 to 1 while you're learning. So let's wrap this up. Would I recommend Pepperstone for UAE traders? Yes, if you're focused on Forex or CFD trading. The combination of low fees, strong regulation, excellent platform selection, and dirham support makes Pepperstone one of the strongest options we've tested for active traders in the UAE. But if you're into long-term investing around shares or ETFs, look elsewhere. I've put a link in the description to our full written review. If you have questions about fees, features, or the CMA regulation, drop a comment below. I reply to almost everyone. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading and stay safe out there.